How to fix a black LG television screen with a red blinking light. So if your TV won't turn on but you do see a red light, I'm going to show you how to go and solve this issue. Now the first thing you need to do is make sure your TV is powered off, and then you need to go and disconnect everything from the television. So this could be any HDMI cables, basically any cables going to the TV. You also want to come over to the main power supply, and we're going to unplug the power from the wall socket like so. Now once your TV is completely unplugged, we're going to leave this unplugged for around about 60 seconds. Now at the same time of doing this, come round to the physical television, and you need to locate the power button on the TV device itself. Now this is usually found underneath the LG logo. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold this button down for around about 30 seconds, and this will drain any residual power that's left in the device. Now once you've done this, you can go and release the button. You can then re-plug your TV back into the main power supply. Make sure to leave any external connections such as HDMI cables or anything like that. Make sure to leave these unplugged and then try turning on the TV. You could now check to see if that solves the issue, and if your TV does turn on, you can then try reconnecting your external connections one by one, as sometimes you might have a faulty HDMI cable that's causing this black screen issue. Now if you have tried these steps and the TV screen's still black, then there's likely a more serious issue with your TV and you'll need to get it professionally diagnosed.